XYZ Printing is a leading brand in desktop 3D printing. What we do is we have a very quite varied lineup of 3D printers suitable for beginners up to advanced level and into the professional, semi-professional printers. This one, for example, is printed with the latest full-color 3D printer. This 3D printer can print not only in different shapes, but also with different colors, suitable for school, education, product prototyping. That's actually the latest innovation. It's a very new technology to do it in full color.
And how is it that the printer handles the full color? You're putting in multiple colors as a source, and it's selecting them based on what you've requested?
The 3D printers that people know is, of course, that there's a spool of filaments which is already pre-colored. What we do is there's a neutral spool of filaments that is uncolored, and what we do is using inkjet to jet the ink on it during the print. So that makes you be able to have one cartridges to print more than 80 million different tints, colors.